Want to watch Netflix with friends while staying in sync and chatting? Here's how to do it with Teleparty. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now you want to search Teleparty, then click on the Chrome extension of Teleparty. Here you want to click on Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension. Now the extension will be downloaded. After it has been downloaded, you want to sign up into your account. Enter your email and password or sign up using Google. Now you want to pin the Teleparty extension. For that, click on this extension icon, then select Teleparty and then click on this pin icon. Once it has been pinned, you want to now grant permission. Go ahead and click on the allow option. Now you will be prompted to Netflix. Here you want to click on any video that you want to watch. The Teleparty button should appear and you will be able to automatically join. Now you can enjoy perfectly synchronized HD playback and a sidebar chat for real-time comments and reactions. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.